Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Have y'all ever heard of American pickers picking the back roads of America? Have you ever heard of Matt, part-time pickers on YouTube? Have you ever heard of my boy Big Buff, defend the hustle on Friday nights, him in Glass City? Have you ever heard of Fundamentals of the Side Hustle with my boy Big D and Regina Michelle? Have you ever heard of Blood, Sweat, and Sale? You're bloody, you're sweating, and you're damn selling. What the hell? Have you ever heard of Shaw? Have you ever heard of Ella? Have you ever heard of my boy Jawhead Entrepreneur? Yeah, well, this Kevin from St. Louis. Oh, you ever heard of my boy Sumo? Yeah, have you ever heard of my boy Luis? Yeah, Luis from California. Yeah, but it's Kevin from St. Louis, and I just want to tell y'all, woo, that we pickin' the hood too. Yeah. Hey y'all, I just left one of my favorite thrift stores, and I picked up some items that I think, you know, it's pretty cool. I paid $56 for this stuff. Anyway, y'all, first up, I haven't bought one of these in a long time. I'm finna turn y'all around. It's an Xbox controller, car controller. I paid up for this. I paid $25. It's selling all day. If it works, it's selling all day on eBay for $90. $90. So that's cool. Let's go to the rest of this. I haven't found one of these in a while. A Toomey. This is a Toomey leather bag. This leather bag right here is gonna at least sell for $100. Toomey always sell. When y'all see something that's got the Toomey on there, buy it. This is a Toomey laptop bag. I didn't even look to see if it's got the strap. It's got the strap in here. And it don't have the strap. But I don't care. It's still gonna sell. Still gonna sell without that strap, without the leather strap. Okay, and this bag right here, I never heard of this. But it's called an iPack. And it's got controls and stuff on it. If you all ever heard of this, let me know. But it's got controls, earbud, everything on here. And in here, instead of getting the bag out of the store, I put the rest of the stuff in here that I got. I don't know how much this bag gonna sell for, but I'm gonna do research when I get home. I thought it was cool. It wasn't number $3, so I got it. Okay, I got some albums in here. And the one I'm really excited about is this DVD set right here. I put this on while I was in the store, y'all. I paid, you know, this store right here, it used to be $1 for all the DVDs, right? Now it's $1. If you buy a set, it's $1 for each DVD. So if this got 8 DVDs in it, this is $8, okay? This selling for $74 on eBay. Just this right here, I paid $8 for it, okay? I got a lot of albums in here, y'all. Some worth 15. These albums worth in between $15 and $40 just in here. All these albums. So, you know, I just made a quick video about what I got today. I'm gonna continue when I get home, when I get this stuff unloaded and get home. I'm gonna continue with the pricing. But I just wanted to tell y'all, you know, what I got today, you know. But when I get out the sun and get home, I'm gonna make another video and add on to this one. All right, y'all. Okay, y'all, I'm back. Hey, I just want to show y'all what else I had got. You know what I'm saying? But, I got some record albums. You know, y'all know I like picking these up. It took me like probably about 30 minutes to go through this stuff. You know, because I just like picking up albums. They sell, they're cheap. These 3 right here, these are by Tail Deck. I never heard of that recording studio. But these 3 right here is from Bach, by Bach. Well, not by Bach, but it's a guy that's playing Bach. That redid it. They come in different sets. See this one, this is 6, 5, and 2. Okay? I had the whole set itself for like $190 something. But anyway, these three right here, I'm putting on eBay for $19 to $30. All three of them, I'm gonna sell them as a set. So all three of these gonna sell for. I'm gonna put them on there in between that number, 19 and 30. So I'm looking at about 25. I paid 50 cents a piece for these. These are just $1.50 right here. $1.50. Okay, next up is a Primo album. I like buying these. This album right here is not, how can I put it? I can't find it on eBay for sale, but there's a whole lot of people that's got it on. Well, I'm gonna say about 10 people got it on there. But it's a Primo from a guy I never heard before. Tango Reed. So I'm gonna put this on there. Tango Reed. It's a Primo album. You know, they send these to the radio stations. I'm gonna put this on there between $4.75 and $19. I'll probably end up around $15 on this. $14 to $15. I'll just put it on there because it's not selling. But somebody gonna buy it in the future. You know, I don't care. I paid 50 cents for it. So, and I like buying these Primos because you get the right Primo, you'll be worth a whole lot of money. Second off, this is one of my second top buys of today. Vicky Carr. Never heard of her before either. But I put it on eBay for $16. It's some selling for more than that, but I put it on it for $16. You know, it's a Spanish, some kind of Spanish singer. I don't care. $16. You know what I'm saying? So whatever. I paid 50 cents for it. I'm gonna keep saying that over and over again. This guy right here, I don't know who the hell, I looked him up. He ain't selling for nothing. $3, whatever. I'm gonna go ahead and put him on there though. For $3, whatever. I'm gonna put him on there. If he sell, he sell. If he don't, he don't. $3.99. So I'm gonna charge for shipping. You know that. This is one of the most expensive ones I got. This is Pablo Casellas, and he's playing J.S. Bach in number 5 in C minor and D minor with a cello. This is real good. You open it, all these records right here look like they're brand new on the inside. Every last one of them. This one right here is the best. It's got some kind of book in there to tell you the history, some kind of history of whoever this is. I don't care. I saw this and I opened it up and I said, I'm getting it. I looked it up and it's worth $19. I paid 50 cents for it. Bam. It's on there already. I got some keepers too. I got 2 piano rags with Scott Joplin, number 1 and number 2. I'm keeping these. I don't know how much they sell for, but I'm keeping them. Scott Joplin. Okay, these right here is another thing that I'm a lot up. Ives Symphony number 3 and number 4. These are brand new looking, y'all. I can't believe how they look. Brand new. So I'm lining these up. Individually, they sell from $6 to $8. So I'm gonna add them up, put them on there for $16. Both of these. That's a lot. $16. Let me show y'all how these look. All these look like this. Every last one of them. Look at her. See that? Brand new. So wherever we get these, you're gonna get a good deal. Eventually, I'm gonna show y'all how I test these. I might make a video after this and show y'all how I test these and make sure they play. But I really don't have to test these, but I'm gonna test them anyway. This is another one of the top ones right here. I don't know who this guy is. Herb Albert. He's Alpert. He's a in the Tijuana Brass. I guess he's a Latin singer or something. But it's something for $16.50 right here. I put this on already too. This Paul Wall, another Primo. 16 to 19. I mean, excuse me, $14 to $19. I haven't put this one on yet. And Paul Wall, they don't know. I don't know. Just tell you. This one right here, this is the last one. T. Waters. It took me a long time to find this dude on there. And it's not selling either, but I'm putting it on there for 3 to 7. All these look like they're perfect condition. All these look like mint or near mint. The vinyl does. So y'all, this is just a continuation of what I showed, when I made the video the other day. I changed my clothes though, you know, because it's later on that night. And this right here is one of the best buy that I had bought. This $75 all day on eBay. Some kind of religious stuff, I don't know. It's just $75. I put it on there in the store. So I don't know what matter of fact, I just got 14 views on it today. So I don't know what to tell you. I put it on there, I got 14 views already. Somebody gonna buy it. Ain't that many on there, and I underpriced. They was on there for $80, $90. I put on mine on there for $79. So free shipping. So whatever. May the best man win. You know what I'm saying? And hopefully I'm the best man. Anyway, y'all, this is Kevin from St. Louis. I'm sell on eBay, Facebook Marketplace, anywhere I can put my stuff on. That's why I sell. You know, and I just want to say, hey y'all, there's some resellers out there that got their own shows. You know, you guys need to check them out. You know, Buffalo Picker, he's on Friday nights. You know, Defend the Hustle, him in Glass City. I'm on there at the end of every month. You know, at the end, the last Friday every month, I'm on there. You got Derek from Fundmentalz of the Side Hustle, him and Regina Michelle. You know, they got a show on Wednesday, Hump Day Hangout. You guys need to hang out with them on Hump Day. You know what I'm saying? You got Luis, Cali reseller, and the Lone Star Picker, Luis and Louis. You know, you need to check them out on Mondays. And I think it's on Tuesday nights, they got a live auction. Excuse me. Luis is like Louis. Excuse me. Luis is like the slab king. You know, when I say slabs, I mean like certified baseball cards, football, any kind of cards. He's a slab king. So I don't know, y'all. When you old, your throat get dry all of a sudden. So I don't know what the hell. Anyway, and so they got an auction. Then you got Ella. She just started a little show, you know, a live show. I don't know. I think hers is on Friday during the day. You got a whole lot of people like Luis. They got their show, Mindful Merchants, on Monday at a weird time though. It's at 2, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. They had me on there one time. I barely made it. I'm sorry. But anyway, y'all watch these though. So they good people. They give you a whole lot of information. And if you're just starting off, you know, they must watch. So you must watch them if you want to learn how to be a successful reseller. But anyway, y'all, this is Kevin from St. Louis. I'm sorry I'm not acting a fool like I usually do. But you know what? Sometimes you got to calm down. You know what I'm saying? Word to the mothership. Hey, y'all watch my boy Blood, Sweat, and Sale. You know, watch Sumo, the reseller. Hey, he's a good guy. I haven't heard from him for a while, but you know, he out there. He's still there. I just thought something happened to him, so I checked up on him. Check out TP. You know what I'm saying, from Kentucky. You know, Tesla picking for a Tesla. You know, all these people. Check them out. Check out their content and learn some stuff. Anyway, y'all, this is Kevin from St. Louis. If y'all like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you don't like it, I don't give a damn. I don't. Go watch something else. I don't care. But anyway, y'all take it easy. Have a good night. And I'll see y'all later. Peace. Hey, and I want to also, plug my boy from Carolina. No, I think from North Carolina. But anyway, my boy, the Carolina Hustler. Yeah, if you all want some golf club tips, you all want to watch some shows about, you know, somebody picking up golf clubs and what to look for, my God, He's the golf club GOAT. You know what I'm saying? The greatest of all time golf clubber. He finds them and he sell them. He found one the other day that he said was a mother lode that he gonna list for $3,000. What the hell? You know, I don't have nothing that high. You know, so you all check him out if you want to see golf clubs. You know, and check all the rest of the people out that I say.